Hi everyone, in this video, we'll be discussing how to conduct preventive maintenance on your HVAC system. Regular maintenance is essential for keeping your HVAC system running efficiently and effectively, while also extending its lifespan. By performing these simple maintenance tasks, you can save money on your energy bills and prevent costly repairs. Step 1. Change air filters. One of the easiest and most important maintenance tasks is changing the air filters. Dirty air filters can reduce the airflow in your HVAC system, making it less efficient and putting more stress on the system. It's recommended to change the filters every 3 months, or more frequently if you have pets or allergies. Step 2. Check and clean coils. The evaporator and condenser coils in your HVAC system can become dirty over time, reducing the efficiency of your system. Inspect the coils regularly and clean them if necessary. You can use a soft brush or compressed air to remove any debris or dirt. Step 3. Clean the condensate drain line. The condensate drain line removes moisture from your HVAC system. Over time, it can become clogged with dirt and debris, leading to water damage and potential mold growth. Check the drain line for any blockages and clean it using a mixture of water and bleach. Step 4. Lubricate moving parts. The moving parts in your HVAC system can become worn or damaged over time, leading to increased energy use and potential system failure. Regularly lubricating these parts can help to keep them running smoothly and extend the lifespan of your system. Step 5. Check Thermostat Finally. Check the thermostat to ensure that it's working properly. Check the accuracy of the temperature reading, and ensure that the settings are correct. If the thermostat isn't working correctly, it can cause your HVAC system to work inefficiently or even fail altogether. Conclusion. By following these simple preventive maintenance tasks, you can ensure that your HVAC system runs efficiently and effectively. Regular maintenance can save you money on your energy bills and prevent costly repairs down the line. If you're unsure about how to perform any of these tasks, consider contacting a professional HVAC technician to assist you. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.